We are at our favorite makerspace, social medium, to work on some origami. Today we are making an inflatable heart. Cut a piece of paper into a square. Fold it in half. Open it and fold a small portion of the bottom edge upward. Then fold the entire paper in half horizontally. The folded bottom edge should align with the unfolded top edge. Fold the top corners down to meet the center of the bottom edge. Ensure you're folding the correct corners inward. You should now have a triangle shape. A flat tip is fine. This is where you'll blow in air later. Fold up the inside points on both sides as a guide for the next step. Fold the bottom corners inward so the tips meet the center guidelines. Fold the inside paper upward and tuck it into the triangles created earlier. Turn the heart so the tip is at the bottom. Slightly fold in the corners to round out the heart's shape. Gently blow into the opening at the bottom tip of the heart. If done correctly, the heart will puff up.